Hello everyone, greetings. So today we are moving to the second part of interviewing skill, that is how to face interview. Moving on to the presentation. So this is our contact information. Please feel free to contact. Selection process. Overall selection process will be depending on one company to the other company or one hiring manager to the hiring manager. But generally this is the selection process. You will be applying for the job and screening will be done, that is shortlisting of CV or resume, group discussion, offering job. You may apply job through Naukri or any job portals like Shine, Monster, or even LinkedIn, or you may be applying through your reference or college, or you will be approaching directly. Any method you will be applying your job. For applying the job, first thing you want to make a best impressive and good looking updated resume or CV. And based on your resume or CV, screening will be done, or through your telephonic interview, the screening will be done. So you have to create impression in resume or CV and also in your telephonic interview. After these two have been done, you will be calling for your direct interview, and further interview process will be there, and it can be any assessment like group discussion or any other test assessment will be there. Only then you will be having a final offering the job. And here that applying the job, you will be applying through mail, means you have to create also impression through cover letter. Writing cover letter, I will be having a separate video for that. In future video I will be doing that. And for writing resume and CV, I have already done, and these are the area that you have to be looking. Yes, in this video I am just concentrating on overall your gestures and posture and attire, how it should be, the small thing that you have to focus when you are facing an interview. That is about this complete video. Moving on to the thing. Yes, these are the criteria that interviewer will be looking. First, grooming. Grooming means your attire, your way of presence will be 40, and the presentation, the way you present to the interviewer, 40% again. And the overall interview, that can be technical or non-technical part, it is based on your job which you are applying for. And the closure is 10%, almost done by the interview itself, and the closure will be only 10%. If you don't have any negative family background or negative career background, you will be selected. Yes, your gestures, postures, everything matters a lot. That means your way of dressing, attire, way of walking, way of sitting, way of shaking, everything create a great impact towards you. So each and everything you have to be concentrated or focusing. So this area I'm just focusing. One by one we will be looking how you want to dress, your attire, dress code. Most of them have the doubt in this area, how you want to dress when you're going for an interview. It can be a formal. Any formals with cotton light color dress is applied for all the job. It should be formals, cotton and light colored dress for men and women. And the other thing that you have to remember, that don't forget to cut your nails and have a mild perfume. Now the dress code for or attire of men, it should be full hand collared shirt, and you should be having a clean shave. That means no sideburns, goiter or beard should be there. It should be clean shaved, trimmed haircut. You can have blazers and tie, you can wear that. Formal shoes and socks, black is better or best. Hand watch, and these are the general attire for men. Next, for women. For women, again for women, according to the job you are applying, you can wear, it can be a cotton formal salwar, cotton formal kurtis, cotton sari, formal pants and formal shirt, with or without blazers, formal hairstyle, that can be a ponytail, free hair or pin bun or just simply tying the hair. light makeup, less or no jewelry. It's better to not to have any jewelry. For men also, if you have the habit of having the stud in the ear, remove that, avoid these things. Hand watch, and again formal shoes, and no heels should be there. This is the general attire for woman. Even for women, the shoes can be any color, but black is better, but no heels, no slippers. Way of walking. You should walk firm and steady, not leaning or walking lazy. Before entering interview hall, ask excuse and then enter. Sit only once they ask you to. While sitting, should not shake or move the chair. Sit simply, just without moving the chair or without making the sound. Just you can sit inside the chair once they ask you to. And the way of shake hand. When you give the shake hand, it should be full and firm. That means grasp entire hand. Shake only 3 times. Shake hand should not be in an aggressive manner also. No half shake hand or holding completely. Each and every shake hand have each meaning. Half shake hand means the person is not confident. Holding complete hand, like first and second image, holding the complete hand means the person is dominating. So the shake hand should be straight and full and firm. That means the thumb should be reaching, and it should be like third image, it should be firm, and only 3 shakes should be there. And this is the general manner of shake hand. Next, way of sitting. Again, sitting should be straight, no slouching or hunching. Lean forward slightly, have a proper eye contact. Remember that even the eye contact, have each and every eye contact have the meaning. If you are looking up means you are not thinking, you are thinking somewhere else, you are not in the present place. So have a proper eye contact. Don't stare at the interviewer as well. Just have a normal look at your interviewer, and that the same way, if you look down, it means that you are not confident, you are hiding something. So look straight, have a proper eye contact, sit properly, sit straight. And even if you're waiting outside the interview, or also just sit properly. Even the interviewer may pass through you, and even they look at you how you are sitting. So sit properly, sit straight without slouching and hunching. Next, apart from these things, the other points that you want to remember, or other few tips that you have to remember when you're facing interview. When you're facing interview, practice in front of mirror, that helps. At home, you have to practice this kind of activity, like stand in front of mirror and try to speak in front of mirror. What and all you have done, everything practice in front of mirror. Give a positive answer to the interview question. Frequently asked interview questions I will be doing in a future video. And for example, I will say one thing. They will be asking that why you have applied the job, especially in our company. Why you want our company? You may answer like that, because of my father. It's a negative. Indirectly you are giving the negative answer, that because of my father, because of my mother, because of my sister. No, you have to say that this is my area, or this is my passion, I just love this job. Or you can just give some positive answer towards all the interview question. Have a clarity in your voice, that means good modulation in your voice. If you have been doing like sudden high pitch or sudden low pitch, no, there should be a stable modulation in your voice and good clarity in your voice. And reach at least 5 minutes before the time. Punctuality is the other important factor that any company will be looking for. So reach at least 5 minutes before the time that interviewer has been said you to come. So next, take your document in a professional type file. Don't take it in a stick file, or don't take just in a hand. Just take all your document file should be in a professional file. And also the documents will be depending from one company to the other company, but still don't forget to take your passport size photo as well as your resume in the file. Don't prepare till last minute of interview. Give some time to relax. Don't prepare till last minute of interview. If you do that, it will create more stress. Next, feel of confidence. In complete interview, be confident. Don't lose your hope. Maintain smile throughout the interview. Be pleasant. Don't show your religion in your attire, like having your sandals, kumkum, and even pardas for Muslims. Don't any religious attire should not be there. That's a few points that other than the which I have been said already. That's it. I hope this video is useful. If you have any other suggestion or anything, just comment below or even contact us directly. Or if you want anything more than this, just kindly contact us. Or even you can give the negative or positive feedback is fine. Just give it in our comment box or contact directly. Thank you. Thank you for watching.